The form of this apple is described by complex curves. If we were to take the apple and cover it in a mould making material, it would become encased. There'd be no way to get the model out of the mould except by destroying it, and in the process we'd probably destroy the apple as well. Turn the apple on its side and the high point of this curve becomes visible. With the apple split at this point, one side is placed on the table and covered in mould making material. Upturn the mould and the apple will release. An undercut has been avoided by creating a mould seam with the change in direction of the curve. A 90-degree set square can help you identify such points. Here's an example of a simple pop-out mould using the same principle. If we want to cast a whole apple, we have to add another mould piece which adjoins the seam. The cutaway animation shows 2 mould pieces are enough to create a working mould from this apple. Alternatively, if we were to split the seam along the length of the apple, we would be left with an undercut at the depression where the stalk emerges. Here's an example of a model and its 2-piece working mould. Rigid mould-making materials require considerable accuracy to avoid undercuts, whilst flexible materials such as silicone are far more forgiving.